Have you ever thought that past tense can be used for present and future? If no, please watch this video till end.
Hello, I'm Sanjay from Crossways. Welcome to this video once again. Today our topic is simple past tense. Yes, I feel that you may get surprised that why this simple past tense. But if you watch this video till end, you will find that what is the reason for this simple past tense. There are three major points for simple past tense. First of all, like regular activities, we use simple present tense. I go to school, say for example. You simply cannot change for the sake of past tense that I went to school. It doesn't carry the same meaning. Because I went to school shows a particular event, particular day, particular issues, particular day. And without mentioning day, you cannot say I went to school or simply I went to meet my friend. Because the question may arise, when did you go to meet your friend? So you should always mention time frame. This is the first point. Say for example, yesterday I went to meet my friend. Don't forget that when you use simple past tense, don't forget to use time. Second point, for regular kinds of activities, don't use the second form of verb only. That cannot substantiate the point. What you need to use, that is used to or would. When you find that frequent use of used to sounds cliche, so you can use that time would. Say for example, I would play football in my childhood days. Or you can say, I would play football in my childhood days. This is the second point. Now third point. For present and future, you can use simple past tense as a hypothetical situation. This is called second condition. Say for example, if I had a car, I would go for a long drive. Here had and would both represent past tense, but I'm talking about my present and future wish, which is likely to happen in future. So remember, these 3 points of simple past tense. This is very important. And next video, we would like to show you that how past continuous is also very important and how tricky sometimes to use past continuous. So don't forget that these 3 points are very important for simple past tense. If you like this video, subscribe it, share it,